Why don't senior men wear house dresses too? Because they can't figure out which pocket to put their remote control in. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on house dresses for seniors. Tip 1. Choose the right size. It's important not to wear anything too tight or too loose. You want your dress to be fitted but not restrictive, allowing freedom of movement. If a dress doesn't fit well, it can be uncomfortable and increase your risk of tripping or falling, especially for seniors who may have limited mobility or balance issues. Tip 2. Prioritize comfort. This age group requires clothing that's easy to move in and comfortable to wear for extended periods. Opt for soft, breathable fabrics such as cotton or linen to help with temperature regulation and comfort. Tip 3. Consider your mobility. If you have issues with mobility or use assistance devices such as a walker or wheelchair, choose a design that won't get in the way. Avoid dresses with long hems or overly loose fabric. Tip 4. Opt for easy fastenings. Zippers and buttons can be difficult to manage for some seniors due to arthritis or reduced dexterity. House dresses with simple fastenings like Velcro or easy pull-on designs are more suitable. Tip 5. Embellishments should be minimal. For seniors, less is more when it comes to embellishments on their dresses. Overly elaborate decorations can cause discomfort when sitting or resting against them. Choose designs with minimal adornments for maximum comfort. Tip 6. Maintenance should be easy. Seniors tend to prefer clothing that is easy to care for. Choose house dresses that are machine washable and don't require special care, such as hand washing or dry cleaning. Tip 7. Color and print choices matter. A cheerful print or a favorite color can brighten a senior's day. It can also make them easier to see, which is particularly important for those with vision impairment. Tip 8. Consider the neckline and sleeve length. These elements should be chosen based on personal comfort and mobility level. For example, a V-neck may be easier to pull over the head than a high neck, and short sleeves may be cooler and allow more range of motion than long sleeves. Tip 9. Look for non-slip features. For seniors, it's crucial to reduce the risk of falls. Dresses with non-slip materials or grip on certain parts like the hem can offer additional stability. Tip 10. Privacy and modesty are important. Many seniors prefer a house dress that offers full coverage. Longer hemlines and higher necklines can provide modesty while still being comfortable and stylish. Tip 11. Ensure value for money. Seniors living on a fixed income will appreciate durable, high-quality dresses that won't wear out quickly. It doesn't necessarily have to be expensive, but it should be well made and worth every cent.